Every story begins with a door. And every door opens a new world.
Welcome to K-Story, where we meet, learn, and grow together. Come in. Your adventure is just beginning. Every adventure needs a guide. Meet your guides, Ji-yoon, Hana, and Alex. And every lesson opens a new story. And every story leads to another door. This is K-Story. Let's begin our adventure. Every journey begins with a story. For generations, Korea's stories have inspired hearts and imaginations. Every story teaches a language, and every language opens a new way to connect. Every language opens a culture, a world of traditions, flavors, music, and unforgettable moments. Every culture opens another door, and every door leads to a new world. Let's keep exploring. One journey ends, another begins.
A world of stories is waiting to be discovered.
Every country has a story to tell. Different places, different cultures, one shared journey. Different traditions, different cultures, different foods, different ways of life. Yet we are more connected than we think. Across borders, across cultures, across time, we share one world and one history. Our history is filled with fascinating stories to share, to learn, and to inspire the future. Across thousands of years, people dreamed, explored, and created stories. Stories connect people and cultures. They live on in our hearts and minds. And together, we are writing our own story. Every story opens a door, and every journey brings us home. Every story opens a door. Every journey leaves a lesson, and every adventure finds its way home. Welcome back, everyone. What an incredible journey. We explored stories, cultures, and history together.
And there are still many more adventures waiting for us.
Let's keep learning, exploring, comparing, and growing together. See you on our next adventure.
Open one door. Discover endless stories. This is K-Story.